Hello folks, today I got is the iRobot Roomba 560 model. This Roomba is used, but it's in great shape. And the battery here is brand new. And it works great. Everything has been tested, make sure everything works correctly. So I'll quickly show you guys what I got here. So I got a brand new extra 6-legged brush. 2 brand new extra filters. Alright. A charger, a power adapter. A Lighthouse virtual wall. Does require 2 C-size batteries. And a docking station, which is pretty good shape. And here's the Roomba itself. So like I said, this Roomba is used, so it will show some signs of use on it. On the pictures you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area and stuff like that. So I'll flip it over here so you guys see the other side. So here we got a pretty good condition 6-legged brush, and the front wheel is almost like new. There's the model number 560. I'm going to remove the dustbin so you guys can take a look inside. Alright, so there's a dustbin and a vacuum bin. Everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. And the brushes here also have been cleaned and disinfected. And the gears on this clean head module also have been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. And I'll show you guys that it works. So I'm going to do a straight run, that way you guys can see that the bumper sensors work correctly and everything has been checked to make sure everything works good. So here's a straight run. Alright, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.